My name is Stu. I'm an industrial designer here at First Light Technologies. Basically do product development full scope from the initial sort of germination of an idea for a product all the way through to market launch. It's about packaging all the great stuff we have into a cohesive product for our customers to have the best they can get. Vega Bollard, it's in my mind a continuous evolution of what we've already done. This is something that's elegant, it's refined, it's rectilinear, it's going to suit some different projects that some of our other products might not have in the past, while also still serving the customers that we already have. So creating something that should work for everyone, but that's also unique and it's also refined and also beautiful in its own way. That was the challenge, and I think we've landed on something that feels really robust, feels really strong, but is also elegant and also modern. Every project is an opportunity to get a little bit better. Vega is no different. We've got improved adaptive lighting, a package that also includes a new optical design specifically for pathway lighting from a bollard height. All of the light that we're generating, we're putting on the path where you need it. We ran it through the IK test, also known as impact resistance testing, to make sure that the electronics inside the product are protected. It's a scale from 1 to 10, and our goal was to be at a minimum of an 0.8. And we've hit an 0.9 with this product, which means it should be more than capable of withstanding anything it's likely to encounter. The new battery, we've basically overbuilt our battery requirements on this product to make sure that we have more than adequate storage so that we can withstand those occasional, very long, very cold, dark winter nights. It's also a proprietary battery enclosure design. Like all batteries, there is a life cycle, and way down the line when you need to replace it, making sure that process is really easy for our customers to just swap it straight in and out without too much hassle. We have a new solar panel design on this product that's different to what we've done in the past. On our bollards, you almost wouldn't even know there's a solar panel there. It's dark, it's clean, but really you have to look at the product closely to even realize it's solar. As well as being much better to look at, it's also improving our efficiency, and the panel also performs well in partially shaded conditions, so that it'll optimize whatever light it does have. The Vega Bollard has a variety of different configurations available depending on what a project needs. You've got both single-sided and double-sided, so we can shine all the light forward on your path, or you can also use a symmetrical distribution that shines it in two directions. It's hard to predict what a customer might need, so we want to make sure we're giving them the optionality that they can complete a project. It's available in two different heights as well. We have a variety of color temperatures for our LEDs that we offer on all of our products, from your more white, your neutral white, 4000 Kelvin, down 3000, 2700, and we also have amber LEDs, which are often used for wildlife-friendly beaches that have turtle nesting. What's new here on the Vega Bollard and will be included on our products moving forward is an additional option called nightscape technology. The nightscape technology, it does a lot of the same things that amber light does, in that you're really cutting out your blue light, but it does that without killing your color rendering abilities. You can still see everything under it much better than you could with a traditional amber light. Industry-leading performance and adaptive technology, these things are built into all our products, so it gives us a really good base to build from, and that makes my job easier to then create these beautiful things that actually communicate that to our customers.